So now let's see how we can utilize the Attributes Eyedropper tool inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go around and make a shape. Let's say, for example, and I'm going to go around and change its attributes right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to choose the type of the line right here for this particular shape right here. Let me just go around and change the type of the line as well and the dots right here. And then I'm going to go around and choose, let's say, a color for this as well, just like this. So apart from that, you can see that this is what you have right here. This is the line that you see, and let me just go ahead and change out the type of line right here, just like this. So this is what I have, as you can see right here. Now, if I were to go around and bring in another shape right here, then you can see that it is plain again. But let's say what I want is I want the same attributes right here. That is the same properties, the same style as this particular shape right here. In that case, what you can do is you can go around and click and hold the eyedropper tool right here and utilize the attributes eyedropper. Simply go around and select it and then go around and click on this particular shape right here. Then it gets turned into a fill, as you can see. So you can simply go around over here and click, and the same attribute is copied and pasted out right here from this shape to this shape, as you can see right here. So similarly, if I were to go around over here and bring in another shapes right here, so let's just go around onto common shapes, and there are many shapes right here. So let's just go around and bring it in, and then what happens is that if I were to go around onto the attributes eyedropper tool and take a sample and then click on this particular shape right here, then what happens is that the attribute eyedropper tool actually takes action, and then you see the shape property is being pasted out right there. And that is how you can utilize the Attributes Eyedropper tool inside of Corel Draw. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.